If you get an eviction notice, you have a few options. One, you can try to fix the problem and stay. This would be if you've been given a 5-day notice that lets you cure or fix the problem, or even sometimes if you've been given a 14-day notice that doesn't allow you to fix or cure the problem. The name of the game is documentation. What you're going to want to do is write to the landlord telling them how you've fixed the problem, maybe by paying rent. One key thing to know, when you pay by money order, make sure that you make that out to the landlord the way you'd make out a personal check, or that you get a receipt back from them. Otherwise, all you can prove is that you had cash at a certain point in time. It does not say who you paid it to. You may want to get something in writing back from them confirming that you fixed the problem. For example, a receipt showing that you paid your rent, or a letter from them stating, okay, we understand that you maybe adopted the dog out to another family, or the guest they thought was staying there too long, that person has moved into a new unit. Something along those lines. If you got a 14-day eviction notice, that might not give you a chance to cure it, but you still might want to try to negotiate with the landlord. Sometimes if they know you can pay rent right away, they're happy to take it and call it a day on the eviction issue. You may want to get something in writing from them first, saying they're willing to drop the issue before you pay all of your rent money out. Another option is to contest the violation and stay in the apartment. This would be if you don't believe you have broken a rule in your lease. Remember, if a landlord's going to evict you, they have to be able to prove in court that you broke a rule in your lease or some other local law that governs tenant behavior. Again, you're going to want to put this in writing to the landlord in a timely fashion. Tell them that you don't agree with it and why, and be reasonable. Let them know as politely and professionally as you'd like to be about it, that you know your rights and that you're prepared to defend yourself in court if they were to bring an eviction action against you. You may ask that they reply back to you by a certain date, telling you that there will be no further eviction action, just to give you a little bit of peace of mind. The third option when you get any type of eviction notice is to simply move out. This is always an option to avoid court. Again, you're going to want to document it. Turn in your keys, turn in a check-in sheet, and put something in writing to the landlord stating the date you're moving out and giving a forwarding address. You can do this for a 5-day, for a 14-day. You can do this for a drug nuisance eviction notice or a domestic violence eviction notice. Any type of eviction notice allows you to move out and avoid ever going to small claims court.